Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe.
Ooh. Okay, now it's time to get ready. It is Halloween. Okay, the 31st. Yeah, so it's time to get dressed. Dun, 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 dun. We being Lil Kim, okay? Boom. Okay, I had to already change my shirt. So luckily her makeup is not too much. I'm a little concerned though because Lil Kim ain't really wearing too much clothes. And I think the high today is 73. Okay, so this is not really a tutorial. I'm just kind of showing y'all how I get ready. I mean, how I'm doing this. I've watched the video a gazillion times over again. So, like I said, she doesn't really have that much makeup going on. Mostly, she's got like a super brown dark lip. You know, but like a brown and clear gloss type of situation. A little bit of blush and eyebrows, sharp, right? Should be super easy. I didn't go too bright at all under the eye because they wasn't really doing it. So I'm just doing enough to cover my circles. And that'll be it for that. Now the wig part, girl, I don't even know. Let's do a little bit of blush. She's got a nice sharp. I don't know why this is so exciting to me. Okay, now we need yellow on the lid, but it's not like super duper bright. It's just like a pop, you know what I'm saying? I guess I could use, I'm gonna mix, this is an old ass palette, y'all. This is the Artist palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna mix buttery and fresh together. Yeah, because I don't want too much. It's not really too much on her lid. It's more like in her brow. Actually, I should do more. Now that I think about it, because in order for it to come up on pictures, I need it to pop. I have not used this palette in forever. And I refuse to throw it away, as you can see. Because you never know when you might need yellow. Then I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place, and this is Whadduupp, I think. Take that same brush and we'll put this right here. I know you see me on a video, true. None other than Charlotte. Charlotte gets me together, okay? Actually, while that's doing that, let's just put the wig on. I'm nervous about the wig, okay? I did it last night. It took me like an hour to do, which is not terrible, right? But it took me longer than I would like. And I realized it's because I should have done crochet hair instead of what am I trying to say? Crochet hair instead of something. I just did a wig. I don't know if I should be doing all of this, but I am. This is wig spray. Hopefully I don't regret this. Are y'all ready though? Are you? She came out good. Like, I don't care what you say. I did that. Okay. Now the question is, can I get this on and make it stay? Because this wig does not have any combs on it. Like, not a one. So it could be a problem. Okay. And I could not get the fake, you know, the fake hair to curl. I thought I could, but she couldn't. She could not. That's okay. Shall I proceed? Yes, indeed. All right, let me do my mo. Oh, no. Oh, wait, hold on. I got shit. Bangs all over my face. Okay, I have the mold, but it's not giving. So, I'm going to use liquid liner to do that. But, so, for the lips, oh, I need to fix this. I'm going to go in with the same black eyeliner. Okay. But, to kind of soften it a little bit, we have cork. This eyeliner is by Urban Decay. And then I'm just going to go in with some MAC lip gloss. Because we need some juicy lips. Oh my god, this camera color is throwing me off because it looks way better in person, bro. Way better in person. Now I'm tempted. How am I gonna keep this wig on though? Huh? How am I gonna do that? True. Hold on. All right, let me put this necklace on. I didn't find another necklace. If you watch my other videos, I did not find another one, so the one I got from Amazon will do. Okay, I haven't even opened up my gloves to see if they fit. I got these shorts. Now that I'm looking at them, they're way longer than hers, but that's okay. It is what it is. I have on some black shorts underneath, so because we're not going anywhere, okay? And I'm not trying to scare these children. Hopefully it works. And she do. Ooh, she looks as hell. But that's okay. I'm just gonna watch her video like in a minute and make sure I put the gloves in the right place. Oh my god! Oh, these gloves kind of stink. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put the ring on, but let's just see. That's it right there. That's it right there. Let me show y'all this cool outfit. Okay, this was like really hard for me to try to film because I want y'all to see me and I want to see me too. So yeah, we got the glasses. Oh, I forgot to put my shoes on to show y'all, but I freaking love it. Of course, the pants are way too big, but it's okay. It's okay, buddy. Oh, apparently the ring is big too. So let's fix her. This is the look. What do we think? I'm gonna do like a full real picture and everything so you guys can get the full look, but this is how she came out. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Let's just forget that you can see my bra back there. Now I need to go put my contacts in because I'm gonna wear 2 pairs of glasses. Can't.